Ever wondered how to transform your smart TV into an entertainment hub effortlessly using just one simple method? Today, we're unlocking the secret to accessing global channels with IPTV. It's easier than you might think. But first, imagine your smart TV delivering endless entertainment options right at your command. That's the magical world of IPTV. First up, find the best provider that suits all your needs. Get it here. https://www.2tv.store/ for smooth streaming everyone is talking about. Don't miss out. Ready? Let's dive into how you can set this up in just a few simple steps on your smart TV. Firstly, head over to your TV's app store and locate the IPTV app compatible with your device. Once found, download and install the app seamlessly onto your smart TV. Quick and efficient. Set up your account using the details provided by your chosen IPTV service, and you're good to go. Now sit back, relax, and explore the world of endless TV channels, movies, shows, and sports. Enjoy transforming your smart TV experience with a plethora of content at your fingertips today.